Dirtbike, Baltimore. Where they come at the ride, do their thing. Normal Sunday in Baltimore. It's normal. Just about every day for real. But Sunday the big ride out. All the riders come. Y'all gonna respect my city. Dirtbike capital. Dirtbike capital. Capital, son. What's up, baby? How you been? All right, all right. They all bikes over there. Stay tuned. I got court tomorrow. The reason why y'all haven't seen me on my raw matches yet, because I'd rather go to court and get this out of the way before I order that bike. It makes better sense. But I'll be with y'all real soon. Some content. The best riders on the dirt bikes from Baltimore, baby. We made the culture. We made this culture. Let's understand that. The heart of it. Look, my man got the scooter up. The heart of the culture. No, he ain't too far. He just say, I don't know. He don't know what to do. The culture, baby. The capital. Baltimore. Stay tuned.